Happy Tuesday! Today I want to share a tool that will help you manage your money as an actor. It's a difficult time for our country, and I have a lot of family who lives in DC, and they know a lot of people who have been affected by the government shutdown. Hopefully by the time this Guru Tips video airs, the government shutdown will be over. But there are so many people who are living paycheck to paycheck and have no idea how they're going to pay their rent or pay their bills, take care of their family, etc. And as actors, we already know that struggle, right? Our income is very unpredictable, especially if we're relying on acting for most of it. And that can cause a lot of stress and anxiety. So I want to share with you the budgeting tool that I use. It's called YNAB, Y-N-A-B, YNAB. One of the fundamental principles of YNAB is that you really want to use the money that's coming in now to pay for your bills next month. So you kind of want to get a month ahead or 30 days. Age your money 30 days is what they say in YNAB. So I encourage you to learn more about this system and implement it if it works for you. I think it's awesome because it's super cheap and great for people with variable income. So check it out at YNAB, and I'll give you a link in the blog because you can use YNAB for free for 34 days. And if you use my link to get that trial, you can have your first paid month of YNAB for free as well. So enjoy. I hope that works out for you, and I'll see you next week.